Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Inside the showroom today, checking out this absolutely gorgeous 1985 Chevy C-10 Silverado square body classic truck. Hard to believe that these trucks are classics already, but yep, 33 years old. You'll see these at the shows. These have been hot. One of the hottest categories of affordable trucks on the market right now, and this one is gorgeous. Originally and always believed to be a Georgia truck, so you're talking about a rust-free, super nice body. The paint job was done about 3 months ago, and at that time they went ahead and changed out all your front grille, your chrome bumpers, chrome side trim, wheel well moldings. Almost all of your trim has been changed out with new side view mirrors. Paint and body on this are gorgeous. Again, it was a no rust body. They actually took the bed off of the truck, removed the doors, so they did the jambs and everything. It's an original red truck. This color that they did it in is I would just call it a gorgeous bright red. It was originally, I think, candy red, but it is beautiful. Body lines super nice, doors shut great and line up really well. The rear tail panel, I think, is one of the only trim panels they did not replace. Got a minor imperfection right here, but just beautiful. They did the bed in a bed liner, did a fantastic job. So this thing you can use and not worry about chipping and scraping up the paint in the bed. Beautiful job. Yeah, new rear chrome bumper. Of course, it's sitting on a great set of 20-inch Riddlers, gray spoke Riddler wheels. They're staggered. They might be 11 or 12 inches wide in the rear and 9 or 10 up front, but it's a staggered fitment. 275 tires in the rear and I think 245s up front. Real nice stance. So it's got like a 2-3 drop. It has not been slammed to the ground like many of these have been getting done, which look great, but if you don't like them completely lowered like that, this one's got a nice compromise stance between stock and lowered. Got a really nice rake to it. Again, check out the reflection in the paint. Just beautiful. So it's got a GM Crate 350 under the hood, believed to be about 10,000 miles on the Crate motor, turbo 350, power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning, and the AC has been all recently redone, so it blows nice and cold. Power windows, power door locks, they're all working. Brand new motors and switches in the power windows. All new interior, so you're talking about new seat cover, new headliner, new dash pad, nice expensive dash pad, not a plastic dash cap. Stock steering wheel. I'm going to let you hear it fire up and running. Helps if I have the key ready. Runs nice and cool. We put a few miles on it yesterday in the 90-degree heat with no issues. Fires right up, turn of the key. Real nice tone from the dual exhaust. Dual exhaust exit behind the rear end here, kind of tucked. I'll let you hear it running. If you've been on the hunt for one of these square bodies and you want one that is a rust-free, solid body, super nice, show quality type paint, this is one you don't want to miss. It'll do great at the local shows and cruise-ins, and you can get in and drive and enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much. Good luck.